How can I check the version of packages to be installed with apt-get? After running apt-get upgrade, I get a list of the packages that will be upgraded. I would like to know the version number for one of these packages. Not the current one but the one that will be installed. How do I get the version number of the packages to be installed?
Should include the full version numbers. Update as this answer has recently seen upvotes. With more recent releases you can use apt-list and lt, package name and gt, to get a display of the most pertinent information, version, installation status, in one line, or apt-show and lt, package name and gt, for fuller information as provided by apt-cache. The other commands, and aptitude 2 if installed, still work as before. Be sure to keep the warning omitted to stare superscript 1 if you pipe the output of apt to other commands, if you use it in a script or documentation that is intended to be around for a while. 1. Apt does not have a stable CLI interface yet. Use with caution in scripts.
If you just want the version info without the description and such, use apt-cache policy instead of apt-cache show.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.